And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
Thunderstorms with a lot of volatility earlier this afternoon across parts of El Paso County. Peaceful and calm out there right now. Gorgeous temperature, 72 degrees. Very light breeze out of the northeast at 7. Pueblo, 82 is your current temperature. Pretty breezy, especially out at the airport. Easterly winds sustained at 28 miles per hour. Here's what happened throughout the day today. Hail and tornadoes touching down across El Paso County. Where you see these tornado icons, that's where they touched down just off to the northeast of Black Forest. Had a couple of tornadoes out there. Far north edge of Colorado Springs, one touchdown there, and also on the Air Force Academy grounds. Again, thankfully, no reports of injuries or damage with those tornado touchdowns earlier today. And all these other icons are where hail fell earlier today. Not a catastrophic hail event by any means, but you can see the north end of the city, also far eastern edge of El Paso County, eastern edge of Colorado Springs out to rural El Paso County. All those reports of hail came in earlier this afternoon. Across the city, most reports were hailstones up to an inch in diameter, but really big stuff elsewhere. 13 miles northeast of Piñon, they had hail 3 inches in diameter, and the biggest we could find for you south of Schriever, that is grapefruit size hail. Thankfully, that was in a rural area, very sparsely populated area. Still have a severe thunderstorm warning active until 6:30 tonight for this cell right here. Worst of it's just out over open country south of the Los Animas area, pushing off to the east at about 25 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorm warning for this cell, open country across Los Animas County and Baca County. All those thunderstorms again pushing generally east-southeast at 25 miles per hour. Really quiet across Colorado Springs and Pueblo, a couple of sprinkles. Far southeast of the airport, also northern Pueblo County, a couple of light showers, and that is it. Keep in mind, though, severe thunderstorm watch active until 10 o'clock tonight for most parts of eastern Colorado. At this point, though, the worst of it is going to be out across the eastern plains a little later tonight. Now, tomorrow, we'll see a few more thunderstorms. Still quiet at lunchtime. By 2 o'clock, thunderstorms conceived over the higher elevations, making their push to the I-25 corridor. Some of those thunderstorms could contain mainly small hail tomorrow. Not looking for a big outbreak of large hail tomorrow, but again, you can see those thunderstorms moving across parts of El Paso County between 2 and 4 tomorrow afternoon. If you're lucky, maybe a few light showers across the Pueblo area. Thunderstorms again by 6 o'clock tomorrow evening across parts of El Paso County. Those will start to dissipate around sunset. Watching for the possibility of stronger storms late tomorrow night out across parts of far southeastern Colorado. But the big takeaway, not as many storms tomorrow, not as severe as what we had to deal with today. Look for partly to mostly cloudy skies overnight tonight. It is going to be crisp and cool across some of the higher elevations, dropping back into the 40s across the high mountain valleys, 50s and 60s across the rest of southeastern Colorado. For your Sunday, it is going to be noticeably cooler, and if you're a cool weather fan, enjoy those temperatures because that will be the coolest day we'll have around here for at least the next 7 days. In Colorado Springs, about a 40% chance of seeing those thunderstorms come off the hills again tomorrow afternoon. Leftover thunderstorms still possible on Monday. Then it's warm and it is dry, even hot, probably a good word to use by Thursday with a high of 88 degrees. Thunderstorms back in the forecast by late in the week. And those thunderstorms could be a little intense once again for Pueblo. Chance of a thunderstorm tomorrow and Monday afternoon. Let's hope it happens because other than that, it's going to be hot and it is going to be dry. A steady diet of 90s most of next week from Monday all the way through Saturday. Mainly dry skies next week for Canyon City. A couple of passing thunderstorms possible the next couple of days. Heating up big time back into the 90s next week. And for Woodland Park, got thunderstorms in your forecast Sunday and Monday. That again